Hi, hello, BGR tutorials, AI technologies, and this tutorial. So many software videos and networking videos. Please subscribe our BGR tutorial point videos, share and like and comment. Thank you. Hi, hello, friends. Welcome to back my BGR tutorial point. The today topic is the farming in data link layer. How many types of farming are there? I will tell in this video. Please watch till the end. So many useful tips are there. The farming are the unit of digital transmission, particularly computer networking and telecommunication. Farming are compatible pocket energy called photons. The case of light energy, forming continuously use time division multiplex. The forming point-to-point connection between two computers devices, wire which is data transmitted, streaming bits, the Ethernet token ringing, forming relay, and the other data links are technologies who have their own forming structure, form, and adder that information such as error checking code. The forming is important aspect data link layer protocol designing because it allows the transmission data be organized and control ensure that data is delivered actually. The problem of forming. The detecting start of the forming. When you forming is transmitted, every station must be able to detect station detection forming by locking out of the special sequence bits that make you beginners of the forming. SFD stand for starting forming, right? How does the station detection form? Every station needs to link SFD pattern. The through sequence circuit is the SFD detection. Sequentially circuit alert station. The detecting the forming. When you stop reading the forming, handling the errors. The forming errors may be occurred due to noise or the transmission errors, which is causes of the mini step form. There are the error detection and the correction mechanisms such as cycle reduction check CRRC, cycle reduction check called CRC, used to ensure that integrated of the forming. The forming over every forming is the header and the trailer and content control. Informs the source destinations. The forming incompatibility. The different networking devices protocol may be used different forming methods which can be leads incompatibility for different framing method. Device may be able to correct intended. The forming synchronization. This forming synchronization is the each other avoid consoling the ensure the communicate synchronization requires that all stations complexing network with maybe devices varying traffic loads. Forming efficiency. The forming should be designing the minimized amount of data overall with maximize available bandwidth. Data transmission identification. The types of forming. The types of farming is there are two types of farming, fixed size and that. This farming is fixed sizes. There is no need to provide boundaries to the frame length, and the frame itself act the drawback. It is suffering from internal augmentation of the data size less than to the farm size. Solution padding. A variable size. This is the need to definition of farm as well as this being to length field. You can use the Ethernet. The problem is that sometimes is the length field by getting corruption. The delimit ED, the introducing this bit stuffing, sending stuffing, receiving the frames. The forming data link layer also present the challenges which is including variable frame length frame, and depending on data beginning transmitted, which can lead to interruptions of the transmission. To address the issue, protocols such as HDLC, PPP use sequences start in the each from the bit stuffing, the error detections efficiency. This efficiency use available bandwidth critically ensure that transmission quick, reliable, aware over associated forming. What is the data forming? This data forming display on the format of table. Data forming have different types of data inside, while the columns, characters, second, third can be numeric, logical, or where each column should be have some type of data. Forming essential efficiency data transmission because allows the error detection and recovery by dividing into data and smaller forming loss corrupted on the transmissions. What are the forming in computer network? Forming is the computer network refer to the data units and the data link layer 2 and the OSIO modules of the encrypted pockets from the networking layer 3 and controlling information like header and trailers, transmissions, physical media. The part of the farming, farm head and payload field flag trailers. Problems of the farming. Location at the beginners of the farm. How will the station notice farm? Types of a fixed size farm and variable size farming. Approach the forming in computer network, character counts and flag bytes and byte stuffing, bit stuffing, length field, and clock based timings. Advantage of forming data link layer. This is forming are used continuously process time, divide, multiplex. It is the facility of this sender's transmission group, valid bits recovery, forming also content headers and including informs such as error checking codes, forming really token ringing, Ethernet, and other types of data link layer methods have their form structure. The forming allows the data divided into multiple recovery pods that can be inspected. This